Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Google app keeps crashing. So if the Google app keeps crashing on your iPhone or Android phone, try these fixes. So to start, open Google app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right. Next, at the top right corner, select the settings icon. Next, scroll down a bit and go to privacy and security. Now under privacy and security, tap privacy and safety. Now under activity, tap clear app history and click clear all. So this will clear all on device history on your app. So click clear all. So this includes websites visited in the Google app on this device or on your device. Next, tap clear cookies at the bottom. So you can clear all cookies that websites are using to store your info. So click on that and click clear all. Now once done, close the app completely. So swipe it up and swipe it away. Then reopen it and see if that works. Next is to go to your settings. Then scroll down and go to general. Then go to iPhone storage. Scroll down and look for Google app. So select that and click offload app. Click offload app again. So this will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So wait for install app to appear and click on it to place back your data. Then just wait for it to process. Once done, close settings and open Google app again and see if that fixed the issue. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.